If you're looking for a lollipop recipe with butter, let me tell you that we have what you're looking for. All you need is a few ingredients, some tools to make them, and patience. Are you up for it? Let's do it. How to make lollipops with butter. These hard lollipops are creamy and deeply tasty, that you won't want to buy them anymore. They are simple and fun to prepare. So, don't waste your time and spend some with your family. Go ahead and try cooking this delicious recipe together. Equipment needed to make this recipe: a medium or large, deep saucepan, a candy thermometer, 1 or 2 heat-proof silicone spatulas, a heat-proof lollipop mold, 60 or more lollipop sticks, a silicone mat, a 5K digital kitchen scale, a cooling rack. Can this hard candy recipe with butter crystallize? The definition of crystallization is the following: to form crystals. Cause to assume crystalline form. In the kitchen, it's a common problem, especially in pastry. It occurs when sugar is boiled to the point of becoming icing, so that when cooled it forms crystals. Science says this is achieved by placing many molecules together to get them to collide. But sometimes, it is also sought to be intentional, seeking to form crystals by adding colors and polyform textures to the candies. The secret to avoiding crystallization is very simple. All you need is a touch of corn syrup to help prevent this unwanted issue. Yes, corn syrup protects against crystallization when you carefully stir the mixture. Beware of hot sugar. Remember, you'll be working with really hot sugar. Caramel is a very sticky substance, which sticks to the skin, causing a second-degree burn. Sugar, when heated, can reach temperatures above 200 degrees Celsius and can cause very serious burns. You'll be reaching 146 degrees Celsius, so please be careful. It's important to know that if this happens, you should open the tap with fresh water and place the burn underneath until the pain subsides. You can also apply a damp towel over the area. If the burn covers a large area of the body, you should consult your doctor or dermatologist as soon as possible. In case of more severe burns, we recommend that you call 911 immediately. Tips for handling hot sugar. Keep children out of the kitchen when making your lollipops. Use kitchen mittens. Let the caramel cool before storing. Remove rings or other tight accessories from your hands or arms. Tips and tricks. This homemade lollipop recipe is insane, and don't worry if you don't have the lollipop sticks, you can just make the candies and enjoy them the same way. The hardest part is certainly waiting for it to cool down. But hey, I assure you that it is worth it. It's an amazing recipe with amazing results. It's easy to make and quick. Plus, once they're ready to eat, they won't stick to your teeth. And no, it's not a poem. So what are you waiting for? Print your recipe or take it on your cell phone. Go get the necessary material, ingredients, and patience. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.